I don't think the allegation, I was head and convener of that group, the whole EVM issue election. I don't think the allegations are per se on EVMs. We now have an Eagle group also in the Congress, of which I am a member. And in the elections of 2024 and 2019, we have raised issues. I think it's wrong to reduce it to an EVM question, point number one. And that is very commonly misunderstood. Our serious questions, which are in the public interest, are questions which go to the process. And we have given startling examples, which you have noted in your press report. Point number three, take one out of many examples. How can it be that the total number of editions between Maharashtra Lok Sabha and Maharashtra Assembly is 40 lakhs? I forget the figure, 43 lakhs I think. How can there be so many additions to the voter list between Maharashtra Parliament and Maharashtra Assembly? That is hardly 4 months. Now there is no satisfactory answer. When we ask for all the total voters lists, they say no, we have given individual list to individual candidates. Now you set and do aggregation for the whole state. West Bengal raised an important question where the EC accepted some. Forget all this. All that we are saying is that when the paper falls in the VVPAT trail, increase that sample from the current 5% to 25%. How does it harm anybody? How does it harm public interest? Have a sample check of 25% or 33% if you don't want to do 100%. By the way, do you know that 100% physical check, voting will by EVM, but 100% physical check of all machines will take only 3 extra days. What is 3 extra days in 7 weeks of electioneering? But you don't do anything, you don't listen to us, you don't even do 33% of check. You say, no, we will do only 5%. That 5% is because of a Supreme Court order I got some years ago. Otherwise, it was 1% or 2% check. So the point is not this. These examples shake the confidence of the electorate. And remember the sequence. The sequence is free and fair elections, level playing field, democracy. All these are part of the basic structure of the Constitution. We are not talking about an ordinary thing. If an election can be skewed, non-level playing field, then you are affecting democracy itself, which means you are affecting basic structure.
But the salience of election commission...
Can I just ask that?
Salience of election commission is... What do you mean by it?
I can't put my hand into their mouth and make them speak. What do I do? That's our problem. What silence? We ask for information, they don't give us information.
Sir, Karnataka में oversharing के बारे में काफी चर्चा हो रहा है. क्या चल रहा है?
कुछ भी नहीं चल रहा है. आप प्रेस वालों के लिए अकाल चल रहा है क्योंकि आप प्रेस वालों को इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए हर दिन कुछ न कुछ. सरकार अच्छे से चल रही है, सरकार सकारात्मक काम कर रही है, नीतियों पे काम कर रही है. सरकार में कोई उथल पुथल नहीं है, लेकिन ये मैं समझता हूँ आवश्यक है 24/7 मीडिया में कि हमेशा कुछ न कुछ उसमें छौंक लगने चाहिए, सब्जी में मसाला आना चाहिए.
सरकार के बारे में नहीं पूछा.
मैं लीडरशिप की बात कर रहा हूँ. लीडरशिप जब सरकार बनी थी तब भी लीडरशिप बड़े अच्छे सौहार्द समझदार तरीके से निश्चित हुई थी और आगे भी सबके समन्वय सबकी सहमति के साथ होगा. इसमें किसी को कोई संदेह नहीं होना चाहिए कि पार्टी में इस विषय में उथल पुथल है या असहमति है. और अच्छा सुशासन तभी होता है जब सब लोग साथ चलते हैं. बाकी नीतियाँ न ए डिसाइड करता है न बी डिसाइड करते, सब लोग मिलके हाईकमांड के साथ निर्णय होता है और वो सब ठीक चल रहा है.